The Jim Thompson Trail in Sedona, Arizona is a very, very important starting point to many, many attractions in the area, including some very, very remote and exotic locations that are popular for weddings, graduations, and just photo opportunities. Let's look and see what this adventure brings us. Hello, we're in Sedona right now, hoping to go up to the top of the mesa and get some spectacular photos and videos. Let's see how far we go. Yep. True. New trail. The goal is to get to that area, so I'm trying to figure out which way we should go. That way and around, or this way and around. Let's place our bets. A quick break that serves two purposes. Enjoying the views, looking at what it would look like when we get back, assessing our destination ahead, and taking some shade break. So actually there are 4 benefits to pausing that I just mentioned to y'all about. This is a very interesting little plateau of the trip. With the views at the past and the rearview mirror, they're still continuing to be very spectacular, but the trail ahead is getting a little more tricky with some drop-offs and slippery slopes like these. So I'm going to try it very slowly and see how far we go. That is an interesting rock formation. If you look more closely at that butte, you will see resembles a pattern of lots of ancient faces. Focus on the center of your screen. Interesting, isn't it? Making a quick pause on this plateau to show you the view. That's towards the north. And our eventual destination is that rock formation over there. I'm looking towards the southwest, the south, and towards the southeast now. Some slippery and tricky portions of the trail as we hunt for the path to the rocks, looking back at the way we came. Now, this is the west, and our destination is getting a little closer. All we have to do is traverse that path. Let's see what we can do. That's where we came from, and we gotta pat ourselves on the back for this arduous. Here goes up. Following this trail, or clearing rather, around the rock to see where it leads us. Ooh, this is really, really steep. This is very, very arduous. Ooh. Gotta make sure we don't slip and fall or get carried away by any of the scenic vistas around us. Okay. Managed to reach what we think is the destination. Just got to go around those rocks and hope that our prediction is valid. Okay, now for the final push to the destination. I am so excited to see what lies ahead. That is the top. We now made it to the top of this butte. With this raging wind in our face, we're gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Hallelujah! We made it! Time for some photos. Yep. All right, so after the photography and videography session was over, we're taking one final look at this beautiful place, saying goodbye to it before continuing on further back down the trail. Our goal is to get to that spot in the center of your screen and then go back down the other side to the right. Coming down is always easier on the back, but much harder on the knees. So I'm already feeling it. I'm going to take it slow and steady. Well, at least now it is confirmed that our mission was successful. All the hard work around this big rock paid off, and we did manage to get to the summit of that butte we were trying to look for. So enjoy this break and view. Looking around, beautiful sandstone rocks, glistening in the sun, pausing for a last view of this particular spot before heading back down. Hopefully, I don't have to use all force to get on up this section. We'll see. Okie doke. Back on to the flatter portion of the trail in the saddle before we head back. Hold your breath, for the trail becomes very scenic and tricky now. Obstacles that have to be crossed. Lots of them, but like with anything else, no pain, no gain. We know we're on the right path when landmarks that we passed on the way to the top reappear. For example, that plateau earlier came down, and now heading back towards the south. woods back to the car. Still got about halfway to go. We're in safe ground now. Looking back at accomplishment for the day from this new plateau that we had not seen in the beginning. We're now sticking to trail and following it back. This is an obstacle formed by the recent storms, but there was a hidden gem underneath that is very interesting. Wonder what this must have been. There is no sign of civilization anywhere. We have arrived in one piece. That trail is now just a memory. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and would like to see more like these, then please feel free to navigate to my page, find the subscribe button, and click on it. Thank you very much, and I shall look forward to seeing you soon.